We closed on Friday in green for the market. However, Tesla is down 3%. We're gonna discuss why and where's the bottom, and we're gonna discuss the other stock on our list. Of course, muln visit our bottom and reverse, and we're gonna discuss PayPal as well, because after the earning the price jumped heavily down and there's opportunity to buy the bottom for PayPal, and the other stock have potential to squeeze because it's visiting an important level for reversal. So let's start our video with muln, because we discussed the bottom around the 26 cent. We covered muln in our pre-market update on our Patreon when the price was 6%. You see it here around the 32 cent, and we discussed that reaction that the price will continue to go higher, maybe even around the 36 cent, but the price will get rejected and going down around this bottom, the 26 cents. So the price opened and we didn't go toward the 36, we got rejected around the 32 cent, and the price went reversal area or the support, the 26 cent. And guess what happened? We got a reversal and the price went almost 8% around our support. So what's the game plan for muln for the next week? Because last Friday we did 6% down and the volatility or the volume was almost 500 million. Imagine the volume is getting higher. You know why? Because we got a huge dip for muln after we broke this breakout zone. We discussed this support and we said this should be our bottom, otherwise we gonna have a sell-off for muln. That's what happened. So this should be the bottom for next week, and how we gonna confirm the bottom for muln is pretty clear and straightforward. The red line, you can see it here around the 26 cent, should be our bottom. And the confirmation for this is our bottom, clearing the 32 cents. Let me just show you exactly how this will happen in coming days. The price will go there around the 32 cents. Maybe we get rejected, but we're still holding higher lows above the 26 cents, going higher to test the 36, and then make the 32 cents our support and continue to go to the squeeze area for the 43 cents. Next up on our list is PayPal. Went heavily down after the earnings. Even though the earning was good, the price jumped heavily, almost 27% in pre-market, and we discussed it and we said the price should be bought back around the 68 cent for PayPal. This should be our bottom. We discussed it in the pre-market, and the price we said we should reverse and go at least around the 75. So the price went until the 75 and closed below. Look what's happened. We went until the 75, got rejected before the market closed. And here, the price action there, you see it here, this big wick happened in the pre-market, because this action, price action, extended hours. Because if we go into our trading view, and we go here on the session, we take it on regular trading session, you see that the price didn't hit our support around the 680, but it hit our support in the pre-market. Let me just go back and extend the trading hours. You see that in the pre-market we hit our level of support and we didn't have even closing candle, big wick. The market maker bought this bottom and the price went heavily up as we suggested in the pre-market, and the price getting near the 77. So the 77 is the breakout zone for PayPal and entering a bit of bullish trend, because this would be our bottom for this year if we clear the 77 breakout zone or resistant for PayPal, Tesla, and Nvidia. Before we continue to our squeeze stock on our list, which is RVPH and mmat. For Tesla, the worst gainer last week from the blue chip company, because we hit our target of resistance that we discussed before, the 234 or 234. You see here, we got this rejection. Let me just put this, make it more bigger and close up on this wick, because this is really interesting. It happened, this rejection, around the 1st of November. We got the test, but the price didn't close above, got rejected exactly above the 234, and we went down from there. Yeah, it was a good opportunity to short Tesla, for my opinion. 12% down after this rejection. So what's the game plan? Yes, we still watching for this bottom around the 182. After this rejection and closing below this AMA, there's a potential that Tesla will go around this bottom for the next week or this month above the 182. Then next time when we visit the 234 and break it, this will be a good indication that we have the bottom and the price will start to have a big buying pressure, like what happened here when we visit nearing the 182 and we get a nice buying pressure, and we did almost 47% for Tesla. This happened last of May, if you remember. So this will happen again if we visit the 182. We might make this price action another 40% from the 182 until the 264. I'm gonna load up on this level. That's why I put alert for Tesla around this level, above the 182. A lot of you ask me which brokerage I'm using. I'm using Momo. If you interesting to actually use Momo as well, now they have potential to actually win 15 free stocks on Momo. There's a lot of things you can use on Momo, which is a lot of indicators, a lot of things fundamentally regarding the earnings. You can get news live and the stocks that have potential to squeeze pre-market. So you can actually try it out. At the same time, you can get 15 free stocks, and one of them is aapl. And of course, you can win $10 with my exclusive link in comment section below. A notification will pop up here, will take you directly to open an account with Momo. Let me just go back and discuss the other stock. mmat. Last week we did 11%, still respecting our level. We broke from the $1.35 and we're still holding it. As we said before the market closed, if we close above the $1.35 and we held above it even 15-minute candle, we're gonna get continuation for the bullish momentum for mmat. Here we got this candle exactly held above $1.35 and we got this volume of bullish momentum for mmat. The next day we get gap and we get near our profit taking, the $1.64, and we're still holding the gap around the $1.47. So you know what's gonna happen next week? Yeah, we need to hold this current support, the $1.45, in order to continue toward the $2 or the $1.93. After we break the $1.64 for mmat. RVPH is still doing good because we're still holding this current support or breakout zone, the $4.42, and of course still holding this ascending line and this AMA. So doing really great and still bullish. So the next price target for RVPH for Monday is the $5.69 target. If we break it, mean we're gonna get another volatility for RVPH, and after we clear the $5, we have another profit taking. We $7.28. So this is the second profit taken after we clear this breakout zone, the $5.69. Let me just turn it to orange and turn this to red because this should be our support. And yeah, we're gonna see a continuation for the price if we're still holding this ascending line, breaking the $5.69. We're gonna get first profit taking $7.28, possible rejection. Then we continue to go toward almost the $10 or around the $9.32. Those hot spots where the market maker will buy, and the other hot spots where the short seller will come and short those stocks. So that's why we suggest always to take profit in this current condition of the market. Hopefully you have a nice weekend and see you in the next update.